The next topic is reconstitution of partnership firm. What is reconstitution of partnership firm? When there is a change in the partnership deed, means partnership agreement. If there is any change in the partnership agreement between the existing partner, it means the partnership firm will be reconstituted again with the new agreement. Previous agreement will be cancelled and the new agreement will take its place. So, change in the agreement, partnership agreement, leads to reconstitution of partnership firm. Now, what are the circumstances when the partnership firm is reconstituted? Number one, change in the profit sharing ratio. Change in the profit sharing ratio among the existing partner. When there is a change in between the existing partners in their profit sharing ratio, it leads to reconstitution of partnership firm. It means you have to draft the new partnership agreement and the previous one will be cancelled. Second one, admission of a new partner. When the new partner is admitted into the partnership firm. Third, retirement of an existing partner. If any partner leave the firm, whatever the reasons may be, it is called retirement of partnership firm. Maybe that partner is too old, that partner is incapable, that partner is not physically fit there after some times, and the new partner, the existing partner may search some new opportunity in the market, then that partner may leave the firm. If the partner leave the firm, whatever the reasons may be, it is called retirement of an existing partner. Death of a partner, if any partner died. Amalgamation of two partnership firm. When the two partnership firm is amalgamated, suppose two form A and form B. Both the form is the competitive form of each other, competition with each other. Now they amalgamate. They amalgamate and formed a new firm. With the new agreement. Suppose this partnership firm have a and B is the partner, this partnership firm has C and D is the partner. So they create a new firm and the previous firm will be dissolved and the new firm is created, and in this firm A, B and C and D is the partner. With the new agreement, this is called amalgamation of two firms. So previous firm will be dissolved, the new firm will be created with the new agreement in between the partners. This process is called amalgamation of the partnership firm. So reconstitution of partnership firm means in partnership firm, the partnership agreement or partnership deed is going to change, and this change, previous one will be cancelled, previous agreement will be cancelled, and the new agreement will take its place with the new terms and condition, with the new rules, new profit sharing ratio or new terms and conditions. So is it clear? So there are the 5 circumstances when the partnership firm will be reconstituted: change in the profit sharing ratio, admission of a new partner, retirement of an existing partner, death of a partner, and amalgamation of two partnership firm. Amalgamation means they are the two form A and B. Suppose A and B are the two form whose partners are A and B is the partner of firm A, C and D is the partner of firm B. Both are competitive to each other. Now they want to run the business jointly and they create a new firm, amalgamate it, create a new firm. In this firm, A, B, C and D are the partners with the new terms and conditions, new agreement. This is called amalgamations. So when the firm is amalgamated, it means firm is going to reconstitute. Partnership firm is going to reconstitute once again. So under the reconstitution process, we do certain treatment.